Alright, as we continue the lesson, we're now gonna have an example regarding normal line and tangent line. So, ito po yung example. So, given the equation of the parabola y equals 3x squared plus 2x minus 8, find the equation of the tangent and normal line at point 1, negative 3. So, yung tanong. So, pag binigay yung equation ng parabola, hanapin mo yung normal line and tangent line kung saan nag-intersect sila at this point. So, yung equation ang hinahanap. So, ito yung gagamitin nating equation. So, kailangan ng x sub 1, y sub 1. Actually, yan na yun. This will be our x sub 1, y sub 1. X sub 1 is 1, y sub 1 is negative 3. Now, ano yung slope? Yung slope makukuha, alright, sa pagkuha ng tangent and normal line. Okay, let's begin. So, kunin muna natin yung slope ng tangent line neto. In short, kukunin mo yung derivative. That's the other term, or it is also called as slope of a tangent line for derivative. So, kukunin natin yung derivative niyan. Now, since alam nyo na yung differentiation rules, yung shortcut, hindi na natin gagamitin yung tinatawag na delta method. So, paano? Ibababa mo lang yung 2 kay 3 by multiplying 2 times 3, 6. Yung 2 doon, mababawasan ng 1 kay x raised to 1 or x lang. Next, plus, since x is an identity, ang derivative niyan ay 1 times 2, alright? That is 2. Malinaw ba? Next. So, wala na. Constant, kaya 0. Now, paano kunin yung final answer? 6x plus 2 is yan yung slope ng tangent line. Right? Hindi pa yan yung equation. Yan pa lang yung slope niya. So, kailangan natin kunin yung equation niya. Pero dito, ang inahanap na m is numerical dapat. Hindi naman to numerical. So, how are we going to solve for the numerical slope? Simple lang. Gagamitin natin yung x doon as 1 to replace here para makuha natin yung value ng numerical slope. So, 6 times yung x, 1. Right? Never mind negative 3 kasi wala namang y dyan. Ito lang yung sinisimplify natin. So, 6 times 1 is 6 plus 2 equals 8. So, ang slope ng tangent line na natin ay 8. Yun na siya. So, again, using x sub 1 is 1, y sub 1 is negative 3. We can now use this equation para mahanap yung equation ng tangent line. So, y minus y sub 1 is negative 3 equals m is 8 times x minus x sub 1, which is 1. Alright, tapos simplify lang yan. Negative, negative, kaya positive. Alright, tapos dito, distribute. 8 times x, 8x, minus 8 times 1 is 8. Now, ito, i-arrange na lang. Iwan si y. Kailangan y equals lang yung form na equation natin. Lahat ng constant sa x's, ililipat mo sa kabilang side. So, transpose positive 3, naging negative 3. So, ito is simplify mo na lang. So, copy 8x, negative 8, minus 3. Kasi transpose mo siya, that is negative 11. This is now the equation of the tangent line. Check na yung isa. Now, sa pangalawa naman, ang kukunin natin is equation ng normal line. Same pa rin yung formula na gagamitin natin. X sub 1 is 1, y sub 1 is negative 3, yung binigay na point. But, for the slope, hindi na siya 8. It's like what I've said earlier, tangent line and normal line are perpendicular. Hence, yung kanilang slopes ay negative reciprocal. Kung 8 yung slope ng una ni tangent, ano naman yung slope ni normal? Reciprocal niyan is 1/8 na may negative. Kaya negative 1/8. So we have x sub 1, y sub 1, and slope. Using the same formula, so here we go. Y minus y sub 1 is negative 3 equals m is negative 1/8 times x minus x sub 1, which is 1. Now, since may denominator tayong 8, kailangan natin tanggalin yan by multiplying both sides by 8. Alright? Next, bago natin i-multiply, i-simplify muna natin tong sign na to para hindi tayo magkamali. So, negative, negative, that's positive. Saka mo ngayon i-multiply sa 8, copy, and then i-multiply mo din sa 8. Now, dito, i-distribute natin yung 8. Kaya, 8 times y, 8y. Now, 8 times 3, 24. Right? Sa kabila naman, makakancel na yung 8. Kaya yung negative 1, i-distribute mo na lang kay x minus 1. Negative 1 times x, negative x. Negative 1 times negative 1, positive 1. Alright? At dahil naayos na natin to, ayusin na lang natin by remaining the value of y, the rest ilipat sa kabilang side. So, remain 8y, remain. Now, transpose positive 24, it becomes negative 24. Now, ito, simplify na lang natin para mas madali. So, we have now negative 23. So, 8y equals negative x minus 23. Now, from this part, kailangan ma-isolate natin yung y. Gawin lang natin siyang y, kagaya nung kanina. How are we going to do that? By dividing each term of the equation by 8. 8. So, cancel. Y is negative 1x or negative 1 over 8 of x. 1 yun kaya negative 1. Alright? Pero may x. Alright? Next. Negative minus 23 over 8. Now, pag pwedeng i-simplify, reduce the answer to lowest term. But in this case, wala na. Alright? So, as it is. So, the final answer is y equals negative 1/8 of x minus 23 over 8. That is the equation of the normal line. So, yan yung hinahanap sa problem. The equation of the tangent line, equation of the normal line. Again, baka malito kayo sa part na to. Alright? Kinitna ko lang yung x kasi 1 din lang yan. So, negative 1 over 8x kasi ito yung coefficient niya. Alright? Hindi pwedeng ilagay yung x sa ganong part pag ganitong na gumagawa ng equation. So, that's it.